बाजू स्वस्थ करेगा, बाजू स्वस्थ। और स्टे। श्रीमान दार्जिलिंग जिला पुलिस आपका सम्मान गार्ड कर पड़े 1 सब इंस्पेक्टर, 1 एसआई, 1 पिकुलर, 8 जवान आपके निरीक्षण के लिए 2 पंक्ति में खड़े। श्रीमान कंधे सस करेगा, कंधे सस। पारा खड़ा रहे, बाकी गार्ड ट्रेन के लिए विसर्जन।
त्यसरी नै मञ्चमा उपस्थित
Today, I feel extremely privileged and honored to be given this opportunity to address the gathering on behalf of the GTA Secondary Headmaster Association. Well, it is known fact that there has been the global outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic that has spread worldwide, affecting almost all the countries. Lockdown and staying home strategies have been put in place as the needed action to flatten the curve and control the transmission of these diseases. But despite all the challenges of the COVID-19 crisis, our frontline workers, including our police department and our health officials, have done a tremendous effort in curbing down the COVID pandemic and have played a pivotal role in maintaining law and order for the smooth implementation of the lockdown and check the spread of novel coronavirus. Therefore, on behalf of the GTA Secondary Headmaster Association, I would first of all like to express my deep gratitude for your generous contribution, dedication, thoughtfulness and commitment during these challenging times. It is response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Schools have been closed to cope with the global pandemic, creating largest disruption of education system in human history. And as we are well aware that several schools, colleges and universities have discontinued face-to-face teaching, which is in turn have paved the way for introducing digital learning. Today, the education system and the educators have adopted education in emergency. Education in emergency through various online platforms and are compelled to adopt a system that they are not prepared for. E-learning have also played a crucial role in helping schools and universities facilitate students' learning during the closure of universities and schools. To add more, we can also see the use of online platforms such as Google Classrooms, Zoom. Virtual learning is gaining immense popularity. Therefore, this online learning has become a panacea for this unprecedented global pandemic, despite the challenges posed to both the educators as well as the learners. But in case of online learning in India, especially when we talk about small town like Darjeeling and its surrounding, majority of the learners are from rural villages where parents are mostly illiterate and unemployed. Therefore, these underprivileged students do not have access to smartphone due to their low family resource. So, keeping in the view of the above demand in order to facilitate the disruptive teaching, the Darjeeling police have done a commendable job under the initiative of an Honorable Superintendent of Police, Dr. Santosh Nibulkar. Please keep a round of applause. We have worked very hard in launching the projects शिक्षा रोकिने छैन, पहाडमा अब शिक्षा रोकिने छैन। To those underprivileged and meritorious students of class 9 and class 10 of all the government schools from Darjeeling, Kurseong and Mirik subdivision, providing 130 smartphones to the beneficiaries of not less than 90 high and higher secondary schools. So this itself is a praiseworthy initiative undertaken by the Darjeeling Police by donating their one day's salary as a part of their contribution in procuring these mobile phones. In this context, I would also like to commend to the effort to the entire team members of the Vikrant Foundation, particularly Mr. Vikrant Rai and his associate member as well, and for which I shall remain highly indebted for this commendable service. Mr. Milan Tamang, Principal RKSP Darjeeling, who is also a member of this association, played a role model in this context. Furthermore, the Darjeeling Police have also taken an initiative on cleanliness drive and have undertaken a campaign, Clean Darjeeling, Green Darjeeling. Since Darjeeling is the queen of hill station, famous for its natural beauty, clean, fresh air, pleasant weather, and above all the beautiful tea gardens and the famous Darjeeling tea. So this cleanliness drive is also our mission to spread awareness among the people of Darjeeling Hills. So today I cannot let go this opportunity to expressing my gratitude to the entire team of Darjeeling Police for their dedication in not only building Darjeeling to a clean and green Darjeeling, but also in making the public realize the importance of cleanliness, which is an essential quality in life. Moreover, apart from donating free mobile phones to the underprivileged students and the cleanliness campaign, the team members of the Darjeeling Police have also shared their contribution in the de-addiction of drugs in the Darjeeling district. Nowadays, alcoholism and drug abuse have become a major social concern. Today, the entire world is confronted with this problem in some form or the others. The younger generation is especially vulnerable to this menace, being easily lured to drugs, be it for excitement, curiosity, or drug-related risks. Therefore, there is an urgent need to provide a whole range of community-based service for the identification, counseling, and de-addiction of addicts with their alter care and rehabilitation, and this step has been initiated by none other than our Darjeeling Police, along with its team member for the seizing the drugs peddlers and motivating the youth towards making the society addiction-free. And this has definitely led towards the healthier and happier society. Last but not the least, I would like to express my deep appreciation for the efforts put in by all the members of the Darjeeling Police as well as the Vikrant Foundation for lending a helping hand for their commendable service. Thank you once again, and I wish them all success in their future endeavors. Thank you, General Secretary, on behalf of GTA Secondary Headmaster Association. Thank you.
डिपार्टमेन्टले जुन चाहिँ तीनवटा हाम्रो एसपी सर डाक्टर सन्तोष निम्बलकर आइपीएस सुपरिन्टेन्डेन्ट अफ पुलिस दार्जिलिङले जुन चाहिँ पहल गर्नुभयो तीनवटा कुरा अहिले भर्खर सरले पनि भन्नुभयो र यसैलाई म फेरि भन्दैछु र एक नम्बरमा आउँछ ग्रीन दार्जिलिङ क्लीन दार्जिलिङ ग्रीन दार्जिलिङ र दुई नम्बरमा आउँछ शिक्षा रोकिने छैन अनि तीन नम्बरमा आउँछ ड्रग डी एडिक्सन अथवा दार्जिलिङ फ्री फ्रम ड्रग्स भन्ने नशामुक्त दार्जिलिङलाई नशामुक्त बनाउने जुन चाहिँ तीनवटा महत्त्वपूर्ण आजको युगमा आजको समयमा तीनवटा विशिष्ट जुन चाहिँ उत्कृष्ट विषयहरू लिएर उहाँले पहल गर्नुभएको छ यो अति नै प्रशंसनीय छन्, एकदमै सराहनीय पनि छन्। र दार्जिलिङलाई क्लिन दार्जिलिङ, ग्रिन दार्जिलिङ भन्दा किन आज भन्नु परिरहेको छ, क्लिन दार्जिलिङ भन्ने आवश्यकता परिरहेको छ आजको समयमा। हाम्रो दार्जिलिङलाई क्वीन अफ हिल्स, पहाडकी रानी, सुन्दरताको खानी, सोर्सेस अफ ब्युटी, ओरिजिन अफ ब्युटी जुन चाहिँ छ नेचुरल ब्युटी, हाम्रो दार्जिलिङलाई आज यो क्लिन भनेर एउटा प्रोजेक्ट हाल्नुपर्ने आवश्यकता परेको छ। यति सुन्दरता, एकपट्टि हिउँले भरिएको सेताम्बे कञ्चनजङ्घा, अर्कोपट्टि हरियो डाँडा काँडाले भरिएको रुखपात अनि हरियो चिया बगानले भरिएको अति सुन्दर मनोरम हाम्रो दार्जिलिङ। यसलाई जुन चाहिँ यसको गौरवलाई हेर्दाखेरि भारतवर्षको मात्र होइन, अब्रोडबाट, विदेशबाट, फरेन कन्ट्रीबाट पनि मानिसहरू, पर्यटकहरू यहाँनिर दर्शन गर्न भनेर आउँछन् र दार्जिलिङलाई। र विशेष गरी दार्जिलिङलाई के छ भन्दाखेरि इतिहासमा पनि हामी पाउँछौँ यो दार्जिलिङ यति महत्त्वपूर्ण ठाउँ हो जहाँनिर हामीले हाम्रो फ्रिडम फाइटर चित्तरञ्जन दास पनि आएका थिए 1925 मा। त्योभन्दा पहिल्यै 16 सेन्चुरीमा अङ्ग्रेजहरू, ब्रिटिसहरू आएर बसोबास मन पराएर यहाँको क्लाइमेटलाई, यहाँको सुन्दरतालाई उहाँलाई काम गर्नु सजिलो भनेर यस ठाउँमा आएर उनीहरूले बसोबास गर्न थालेका थिए। र यसरी 1925 मा चित्तरञ्जन दास फ्रिडम फाइटर आएर उहाँको हेल्थ बिग्रिँदा डक्टरले तपाईँ केही दिन रेस्ट गर्नुपर्छ, एउटा हिल्ली प्लेसमा जानुहोस् भन्दा उहाँले पनि दार्जिलिङलाई नै चुज गर्नुभएको थियो। र आज हाम्रो चौरस्ताको माल रोडमा उहाँले घर किनेर त्यहाँ बस्नुभयो। मे 1925 मा आउनुभयो, हल्ट गरे दार्जिलिङमा, एक दिन भेटेर उहाँ फर्किनुभयो। र पछि जुनमा, मेमा आउनुभएको, जुन 1925 मा परलोक हुनुभयो चित्तरञ्जन दास। र त्यति बेला उहाँले यो घर उसको परिवारले यहाँ दान स्वरूप छोडेर हामी आज पनि देख्छौँ दार्जिलिङको त्यो माल रोडमा उहाँले म्युजियम, चित्तरञ्जन दासको म्युजियम बनाएर राखेको यो ऐतिहासिक गवाह छ हामीसित। अनि यसरी नै कवि गुरु रविन्द्रनाथ टेगोर दार्जिलिङको मङ्पुमा आएर बसेर उहाँले आफ्नो घर एउटा बनाएर बसेर यहाँ धेरै यहाँको ब्युटी, यहाँको नेचुरल ब्युटीलाई मन पराएर उनले धेरै कविताहरू, पोएमहरू लेखे, आर्ट्सहरू गरे। आज त्यो घरलाई एउटा म्युजियम बनाएर राखेको छ, एउटा टुरिस्ट स्पट जस्तो भएर बसेको छ। यो पनि एउटा ज्वलन्त उदाहरण हो दार्जिलिङको। र यसरी नै सुभाष चन्द्र बोस फ्रिडम फाइटर नजरबन्दी गर्दा सरकारले भागेर आएर कर्सियङको गिद्धे पहाडमा आएर बसेर भित्रभित्रै बसेर धेरै स्वतन्त्र सङ्ग्रामी हाम्रो भारतीय गोर्खाहरूसँग पनि उनीहरूले धेरैवटा भित्रभित्र काम गरेका थिए। र पछि यहीँबाट डिस्गाइजको रूपमा फेरि जापान पुगेको कथा पनि, इतिहास पनि हामी पाउँछौँ इतिहासमा। र यस्तो महत्त्वपूर्ण इतिहासदेखि लिएर बलिउडको जति पनि सुटिङहरू, पहिलाको फिल्महरू कति सुटिङ भएको हाम्रो दार्जिलिङमा, यति सुन्दरता। तर आज त्यो दार्जिलिङको जुन गौरव छ अलिक शोचनीय भएर गएको एउटा महसुस हामीले गरिरहेको छौँ, हामीले फिल गरिरहेको छौँ। दार्जिलिङको त्यो सुन्दर गौरव घटेर गएको जस्तो, यहाँको सुन्दरता घटेर गएको जस्तो। र यस्तो बेलामा हाम्रा पुलिस डिपार्टले, हाम्रा आदरणीय सर, अनरेबल सर, हाम्रा एसपी महोदयले एउटा जुन चाहिँ पहल गर्नुभयो, क्लिन दार्जिलिङ, ग्रिन दार्जिलिङ, यो एकदमै एप्रिसिएबल वर्क छ। यसमा हामीले काँधमा काँध, हातमा हात लगाएर हामी शिक्षित वर्गले उहाँलाई साथ दिनुपर्नेछ। र यसको निम्ति कति कोसिस गरे सरकारले, एनजिओहरूले पनि, हामी शिक्षित वर्गले पनि स्कुलमा अवेरनेस पनि गऱ्यौँ। तर अहिले 1.5 वर्षदेखि प्राय स्कुल बन्द भइरहेको छ र यो कुरा हुन सकेको छैन। र अब उपरान्त हामीले यसको निम्ति इच एन्ड एभ्री सब्जेक्ट पढाउँदा स्कुलमा हामी शिक्षकहरूले हाम्रो नानीहरूलाई इङ्ग्लिस, नेपाली, हिस्ट्री, जियोग्राफी जे पनि पढाउँछौँ, साइन्स, त्यति बेला एउटा इक्जाम्पलको रूपमा यो अवेरनेस चिजहरू हामीले बताउनुपर्छ। दार्जिलिङलाई ठाउँ छैन, पपुलेसन बढेर गएको छ, भित्ता फोरेर घर बनाउँदैछ, 3 तले 4 तले, यो राम्रो कुरो। तर घर त सुन्दरता बनाए त घरकै छेउछाउमा एउटा डम्पिङ एरिया बनाइरहेको छ। प्लास्टिकहरू, नराम्रो कुरो, प्लास्टिकहरू फ्याँकेर, जुन चाहिँ अनरिग्रेडेबल, एकदमै यो चाहिँ सडेर जाँदैन। र यसले चाहिँ फ्युचर दार्जिलिङलाई नाश भएर जान्छ, ल्यान्डस्लाइड हुने डर हुन्छ। यो कुरो चाहिँ हामीलाई जान्दा पनि हामी अवेर छैनौँ। र इच एन्ड एभ्री पर्सन अफ दार्जिलिङको मान्छेले चाहिँ कन्सेप्ट ल्याउनुपर्छ। यो सरकारले मात्रै गरेर हुँदैन, पुलिस डिपार्टले मात्रै गरेर हुँदैन, हामी पनि यसको पछि लाग्नुपर्छ। तर सरले जुन पहल गर्नुभयो यो अति उत्तम, यसको निम्ति हामी भेरी थ्याङ्कफुल, वी आर भेरी ग्रेटफुल सरको यो कामको लागि। र अनि यसरी नै दोस्रो छ शिक्षा रोकिने छैन। वर्तमान अहिले कोभिड-19 को प्रकोपमा परेर चारैतिर हाहाकार भइरहेको पेन्डेमिक पिरियडमा हामी परेका छौँ। हाम्रो नानीहरूको पढाइ बिग्रियो हाम्रो नानीहरूको पढाइ बिग्रियो छैन। एउटा घरमा 4 जना नानी छ, एउटा फोन किनिदियो बाबुले, बाबुको आर्थिक इकोनोमिक कन्डिसन ठिक छैन, एउटा फोनमा तानाथान कलेजको पढ्नेले कि सानोले पढ्ने कि ठुलोले पढ्ने राम्रो राम्रो नानीहरू डिप्राइभ हुँदै गइरहेको हामीलाई महसुस भइरहेको छ। अर्काको घरमा गएर मोबाइलमा पढ्छन् हामीले दिएको कुराहरू र यसै कारणले गर्दा यो यस्तो स्थितिमा उहाँहरूले आफ्नो 1 डे स्यालेरीलाई सेक्रिफाइस गर्नुभयो। यो पनि एउटा ग्रेट इनिसिएटिभ हो, यो हामीले भुल्न हुँदैन। उहाँको एउटा सेक्रिफाइस हाम्रो नानीहरूको निम्ति जुन चाहिँ सेक्रिफाइस गर्नुभयो यहाँबाट हामीले सिक्नुपर्छ। यहाँनिर के बुझ्छौँ भने हामीलाई जुलाई 1 तारिक हाम्रो एसपी सरले मिटिङ गरेर बोलाउनु भएको थियो कि हामी शिक्षा रोकिने छैन, हामी यसरी स्यालेरी गरेर हामी दिनेछौँ, तपाईँहरूको 9, 10 को नानीहरू राम्रो मेरिटियस नानीहरूको लिस्ट दिनुहोस्, 2 जना 1 जनाको हामी दिन्छौँ भन्नुभएको थियो। र यहाँबाट के बुझ्छौँ भन्दा भनिन्छ नि मान्छेले थट वर्ड एन्ड डिड, विचार वचन र कर्म, यो तीनवटा इट सुड बी सिमिल्यारिटी। र यहाँबाट हामीले सिक्नुपर्छ कि सरले राम्रो थट लिनुभयो, त्यो दिन हामीलाई बोलाउनु भएर उहाँको थट राम्रो भएर उहाँले वर्डमा निकाल्नु भयो, विचार हामीलाई पोखाउनु भयो हामी गर्छौँ भनेर। अनि आजको दिनमा यो कुरालाई उहाँले एक्सनमा डिडमा परिवर्तन गर्नुभयो। यो थट वर्ड एन्ड डिड सिमिल्यारिटी भयो। यहाँबाट पनि हामीले धेरै कुरो सिक्नुपर्छ, धेरै कुरो सिक्नुपर्छ। हामीले कहिलेकाहीँ मुखले बाउँछौँ, यो दिन्छु त्यही दिन्छु, हामी नसोची बोलेको हुन्छौँ अरे। त जुन कुरो एकदम मनन र चिन्तन गरेर बोलेको, जुन चाहिँ सोचमा ल्याउँछु त्यो कुरो चाहिँ सत्य हुन्छ, त्यही कुरो वर्डमा आउँछ, वचनमा आउँछ, त्यही कुरो कर्ममा पनि परिवर्तन हुन्छन्। यहाँबाट हामीले धेरै कुरो सिक्नुपर्छ। यो पेन्डिङ पिरियडमा सरले यसरी पुलिस डिपार्टले आफ्नो 1 डे स्यालेरी सेक्रिफाइस गरेर हाम्रो नानीहरूलाई जुन चाहिँ दिनुभएको छ, यो एउटा शिक्षा यहाँबाट हामीले सिक्नुपर्छ। वी हेभ टु लर्न फ्रम दिस प्रोजेक्ट। यो त एउटा शिक्षा उहाँले दिनुभएको, यहाँबाट सिक्नुपर्छ। हामीले पनि सेक्रिफाइस गर्नुपर्छ हाम्रो नानीहरूको निम्ति र यसको निम्ति हामी एकदमै वी आर भेरी ग्रेटफुल सर। र अर्को थर्डमा आउँछ दार्जिलिङलाई ड्रग डी एडिक्सन। यो वर्तमानको एकदमै नराम्रो डरलाग्दो जटिल समस्या हो, ग्रेट प्रब्लम छ। आजको युथहरू हाम्रो नानीहरू पनि स्टुडेन्ट 11, 12 पढ्ने स्टुडेन्टहरू पनि जङ्गलमा गएर ट्याब्लेट र ब्राउन सुगर खायो भन्ने हामी सुन्छौँ, तर आँखाले देखेको छैन, हल्ला मात्रै। जुन दिन हामी सुन्छौँ भने त्यही दिन हामी नानीहरूलाई पक्रेर हामीले पुलिसलाई रिपोर्ट दिनुपर्छ। उहाँले अस्ति नै भन्नुभएको छ, तपाईँले नलुकाउनुहोस्, हामीलाई खबर दिनुहोस्, हामी त्यसलाई ठिक गर्छौँ। कसरी रोक्नुपर्ने हो, कुटेर त होइन, सम्झाएर काउन्सिलिङ गरेर। र हामीले गर्दै थियौँ, तर अहिले यो पेन्डेमिकमा हामी एकदमै पछाडेर गएका छौँ। र यो कुरामा पनि हामी प्रत्येकले, हामी हेडमास्टरहरू, हामी शिक्षकहरू, शिक्षिकाहरूले पनि आफ्नो क्लासमा जब हामी स्कुल लाग्छ त्यति बेला हामीले इच एन्ड एभ्री सब्जेक्टमा एक-एकवटा एक्जाम्पलमा जताबाट पनि घुमाइ फिराइ ल्याएर यो नसा, यो ड्रग भन्ने कुरो राम्रो होइन, यसले फिजिकल मेन्टल डल्लै इकोनोमिकल डल्लै ड्यामेज पार्छ। र युथहरू, आजको युथहरू हाम्रो ब्याकबोन हो, हाम्रो फ्ल्याग बियरर्स हो, कर्णधारहरू। भोलिको दिन यो पहाडलाई बचाउने हाम्रो कर्णधारहरू नै यो नराम्रो कुरामा, जस्तो पहिला त गाँजा खान्थ्यो होइन, त्यसपछि उयो खान्थ्यो के अरे डेन्ड्राइट, अहिले त ट्याब्लेट अनि ब्राउन सुगर, जसको स्मेललेस गनाउँदैन, जान्नेले मात्रै चाल पाउँछ। नानीहरू झमझम भएर क्लासभित्र पो आयो कि घुम्दैछ कि, र जसले गर्दा चाहिँ प्यारेन्ट्सलाई पनि ठुलो मर्का परेको छ, फिजिकल मेन्टल अनि इकोनोमिक पनि। यो नानीहरूले जब यो कुरो खान थालेपछि घरको चिजबिज बिक्री गर्न थाल्छ। र यसै कारणले गर्दा यो कुरोको लागि पनि उहाँले जुन चाहिँ पहल गर्नुभयो एकदमै ग्रेट अनि एप्रिसिएबल यो छ, यो काम प्रोजेक्ट छ। र हामीले पनि यसमा हम हैसे गरेर हामीले पनि एक भइकन, हाम्रो एनजिओले सरकारले गरिरहेको छ, तर सबैको मनमा हुनुपर्छ। हाम्रो युथ नानीहरू यहाँ भेला भएका छन् र नानीहरू यो ड्रग्स चाहिँ एकदमै नराम्रो कुरो हामीले लिनु हुँदैन। हामीले हाम्रो सोच राम्रो राख्नुपर्छ। जसरी आज यहाँ विराजमान हुनुभएका आइपिएस अफिसरहरू छ, उनीहरूलाई देखेर पनि म पनि यस्तै हुन्छु भन्ने भावना लिनुपर्छ। र ड्रग खाएर कहिले पनि यसरी ठुलो मान्छे हुन सक्दैनौँ। र यो कुरामा हामी हेडमास्टर टिचर्सहरूले धेरै हामीले अघि बढ्नु परेको छ, के अरे हामीले धेरै काम गर्नु परेको छ। र विशेष गरी यो 3वटा कुरा जुन चाहिँ गर्नुभएको थियो, यो 3वटा जुन चाहिँ प्रोजेक्टहरू छ, यसमा हामीलाई विक्रम फाउन्डेसनको एउटा ब्रिज राखेर हामीलाई हेडमास्टरहरूलाई उहाँले लिनुभयो, एसोसिएट गर्नुभयो। यसको निम्ति हामी धेरै ग्रेटफुल छौँ। हामी थ्याङ्क यू, धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौँ सरलाई। र भविष्यमा पनि सरहरूले यदि कुनै पनि प्रोजेक्ट, इफ यु वान्ट टु टेक एनी इनिसिएटिभ, त्यति बेला पनि हामीलाई, इफ यु वान्ट टु इन्भल्भ अस, हामी वी अल द हिल पिपल, वी अल हिल टिचर्स आर रेडी फर सपोर्ट विथ यु, राम्रो कजको लागि, गुड कजको लागि। र यसै भन्दै अनि हामी पहिलो वेभमा पनि बाँच्यौँ, दोस्रो वेभमा पनि बाँच्यौँ, अब थर्ड वेभ आइरहेको छ। यो थर्ड वेभको जुन चाहिँ डेल्टा भेरिएन्ट भन्दैछ, यसमा पनि बाँच्न सकौँ हामी सबैजना। र सबैको सुस्वास्थ्य को कामना राख्दै अनि सबैलाई स्टे सेफ स्टे हेल्दी भन्दै मेरो यो भनाइलाई यही शेष गर्दछु। थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच।
First of all, I would like to thank you, SP Darjeeling, Shri Santosh Nimbalkar and his team for inviting me and sharing my feelings and experiences with you on this occasion. I would like to say that Darjeeling Police has taken 3-4 great initiatives which I was aware of, and many speakers have also pointed out, like Green Darjeeling, Clean Darjeeling. Darjeeling Marathon is also a grand success, I have heard about it. And regarding de-addiction, drug abuse, as Amit has rightly said, that this is a very serious menace and we all are facing it. And for drug abuse, Darjeeling Police has done a wonderful job. So lastly, I would like to say that this initiative, that education will not stop, Sikha Danabena, this is a great initiative because during pandemic time we have felt that everybody is suffering, but students have suffered a lot. They are not going to schools since last 18 months. They are basically in their homes. Their education is suffering. So now, by providing mobile phones, I am sure that this will help them in getting proper education, and they will be connected with the entire world with the help of internet. So I would like to thank you, Darjeeling Police, for taking this great initiative, and my best wishes to all the students. I am sure that they are going to get more success in their career with the help of mobile phones and with the help of getting connected with the entire world. Thank you so much, and once again thank you to IG sir and SP Darjeeling for inviting me, and I have got this opportunity to interact with you. Thank you very much.
I congratulate Darjeeling Police for achieving 3 things in their endeavor. First is de-addiction. You know, drugs is the biggest menace. It not only affects a person but also his family. It takes away his ability to earn and to become something in his life. So this is our endeavor, not only to arrest criminals or to bust rackets of drug peddlers, but also wean away the youth from this deadly menace. In that direction, Darjeeling Police has also taken this initiative of developing a very strong community bond in terms of organizing sports events. I congratulate particularly the Superintendent of Police, who with his own initiative has started volleyball tournaments, football tournaments and other activities which not only takes away the youth from the drugs but also helps them building strong bodies and minds. And third important thing, during this corona period, we all know that we have suffered losses, more so in Darjeeling, where everything depends on tourism. And the biggest loss is to the students who have not only lost their parents have lost the means of earning livelihood, but also an opportunity to live a normal life and attend schools. It is a great initiative of connecting people, connecting children by the process of digitization. Providing mobile phones is a great initiative. It's a small equipment, but it brings great change. It ensures that the children of Darjeeling are strengthened. They're not left behind. They're at equal footing to the students who study in private schools. It is a very sensitive thing. It's a very heart-touching thing that all the children are brought into the digital fold. I congratulate Darjeeling Police again for this initiative and for the guidance of IG sir for being with us today and to make this event a success. I'm sure that in future also all the schools will take a clue from this and will connect digitally further. Not only this, we have also started an initiative of connecting with the schools where we interact with the students and motivate them for career prospects in civil services and how to face interviews and examination after their graduation. I hope so with this mobile initiative and further such initiatives in digital media, we'll be able to connect and make our youth more stronger to face the challenges of the future. Thank you.
The initiative which Darjeeling Police have taken to reach to the poorer students, this we have been discussing for last 1 month or so, around a month back. Kolkata Police have taken a very good initiative with the help of CRY and the other private sectors, and we were discussing why not we will try to implement certain schemes in the hills of in the Darjeeling and the other areas. I'm really thankful to the entire team of Darjeeling Police under the guidance of the Superintendent of Police that they have taken initiative, they have donated from their own resources and also taken the help of other NGOs and the Teachers Association and the Business Association of this area. This is just a beginning in my opinion, and we have to continue with these type of efforts in the future also. Very frequently the teaching portals like Byju and other organizations also are trying to reach out to the police and the other organizations so that they are also trying to reach to the maximum number of students who are basically economically not that much stronger, and under their CSR heads they are trying to reach out to the maximum number of students during the digital expansion. I'll request my Superintendent of Police to work out on that. Calcutta Police last year and this year also tied up with the Byju and the other portals so that the students get proper education even during the COVID situations. During the other dignitaries who have spoken over here, I came across the certain initiatives which the Darjeeling Police have already taken, like the de-addiction, green and clean Darjeeling. I remember when for the first time I became Superintendent of Police after the Aila, there was a massive impact of pollution and the other things. The people of Darjeeling used to say it's all because of the use of polythene that a lot of destruction took place in Darjeeling. After that, a lot of drive have taken place in Darjeeling, and it's really commendable that Darjeeling Police has come up with their new schemes of neat and clean Darjeeling. I'll request my Superintendent of Police and the entire colleagues of Darjeeling to reach out to the maximum people in Darjeeling in the hills, and especially the students of Darjeeling. Few days back, our SP as well as Mr. Amit P. Javalgi also, during his 2 interaction sessions, have tried to reach out to the students of Darjeeling. This process of reaching out digitally to the students of Darjeeling should continue. We have a lot of bunch of young IPS, IAS, IFS and the revenue officers who are working in North Bengal. We can utilize their knowledge and resources in order to motivate our younger generation. We can motivate them, we can basically remove their doubts, whatever they have. And at the end, I'll only say to each and every one of you, we all work to make our country stronger, to make our society stronger. Please be firm and work for our country. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
On the dais, respected IG sir, DP Singh sir, in his name itself there is a DP, that means Darjeeling Police. Sir was SP here for 2 years, and still the people of Darjeeling reminds his name, whatever he had done here. DIG Malda sir, these 3 are, I will say that these are 3 super cops. They have in their SP ship, sir, for example, DIG Malda sir, sir was in Jungle Mahal, and during Maoist operations he had also got a gallantry award there also. And drug de-addiction, that is the brainchild of sir also. Sir has started in Kolkata Police. I have taken that from here and I have implemented here. DIG Darjeeling Race sir, Amit Javalgi sir, he was also here SP for 2 years. During his time, he had started giving guidance to the competitive exam, students of competitive exams, and he had went to the villages and he had taught regarding this. So from sir also we have taken this initiative regarding guidance to the students. We are having 5,000 students in WhatsApp groups in Darjeeling, where we are giving the employment, whatever employment opportunities are there in the group, whatever new advertisements are giving, and guidance also we are giving. So I will thank Vikram. He is always with us for any endeavor. Like recently Pahad drug free, that virtual run also we have arranged with the help of him, and Teachers Association here. Thank you very much. Without your support, this initiative would not have been completed. This smartphone, actually, Honorable CM Madam has already started this initiative for class 11 and 12. That's why we have chosen for 9th and 10th. And this COVID time, as we have seen, these 2 years online education has increased. And during our discussion also, we saw that from poor family, there are three children they are having, so they are having one phone. So others too, they are not able to use it. So it pains us, because we are having money, so we can get the mobiles as well, laptop. But the poor students, they are not. So their education suffers. That's why we thought of this initiative. IG sir, actually, he told us about this initiative, and we have started this. So there is also internet connectivity problem. We have talked with the internet providers also. They will also solve this problem by putting their towers in remote areas also. So I would thank also the welfare society, our police welfare group, because they have said, I said ki 1 day salary we want. They immediately raised their hand. They have given the 1 day salary, and through 9 lakh rupees we are able to give this to you. So I will also request all of you to guide us and take help from us regarding the study material providing. We can use our civic volunteers in the police stations for any help which is required by you. So Darjeeling Police is always with you. We will be with you forever at your service. So I will read one last poem regarding this uniform, regarding this khaki. We are always indebted, and we are always in the service of you people. There is one poem. दिन हूँ, रात हूँ, सांझ वाली बाती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. आंधी में, तूफान में, होली में, रमजान में, देश के सम्मान में, अडिग कर्तव्यों की अविचल परिपाटी हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. तैयार हूँ मैं हमेशा ही, तेज धूप और बारिश हंस के सह जाने को, सारे त्योहार सड़कों पे भीड़ के साथ मनाने को, पत्थर और गोली भी खाने को, मैं बनी एक दूजी माटी हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. विघ्न विकट सब सह कर भी सुशोभित सज्जित भाती हूँ, मुस्काती हूँ, इटलाती हूँ, वर्दी का गौरव पाती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. तम में प्रकाश हूँ, कठिन वक्त में आस हूँ, हर वक्त तुम्हारे पास हूँ, बुलाओ मैं दौड़ी आती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. भूख और थकान की क्या बात, कभी आहत हूँ, कभी चोटिल हूँ, और कभी तिरंगे में लिपटी रोती सिसकती छाती हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. शब्द कहीं पाया कुछ भी, आत्मकथा मैं बाकी हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.